So where are you from?
I am from the US. I am from San Francisco. It's on the West Coast.
And what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. Also, I create Ello. I work on Ello a lot.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 47. Yeah, I am old.
No, that's not old. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Don. He is a teacher too. He lives in America.
And are you married?
No, I am not married. I am still single.
Where is your mum from?
My mom is from California. She is from Los Angeles.
And what does she do?
She is a manager. She works in a clothing store.
Where is your dad from?
My dad is from San Francisco. He is not from Los Angeles, but he met my mother in Los Angeles.
And what does he do?
He is also a manager. He works for a tree cutting company. They cut trees.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, cool job.
Is it dangerous?
It is a little dangerous. A little. And what about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Glasgow, on the west coast of Scotland in the United Kingdom.
Nice. And what do you do?
I'm also a teacher.
Nice. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Oh, me too.
It's fun, isn't it?
It is. It is very fun. Excuse me, can I ask, how old are you?
Of course you can ask. I'm 34.
Okay, very young, very young. Where is your mom from?
My mum is also from Glasgow.
Oh, nice. What does she do?
Well, she's retired now, but she was a nurse.
Oh, nice. And is your dad from Glasgow?
Yes, he is.
What does he do?
He's also retired, but he used to be a teacher.
Oh, wow. Many teachers.
Yes, looks like it.
Well, thanks. Nice talking to you.
You too.